Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub. Totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, today's reward was Death Quest, and got 5 victories. Still in bronze 2. Got down to 7 just before I started making the video, but then it beat me back down. I played probably about a total of an hour today. So I'm just going to go ahead and claim my reward. It can't get any worse than it did yesterday. It was 1 credit. That is the absolute worst reward you can get on Splinterlands. So let's see if I can tie it. Let's see what happens. No, I got a card today. Very nice. Happy with that. Okay. That made up for yesterday. So on the battling, what I'm trying to do now is I'm looking for low mana cards. I want to get the ooze card. It's the one that lowers this. I think I need to strengthen up my low mana cards in all my decks. And that seems to be what I'm missing when I go over these battles. Like, let's look at the one I just lost. This is the one I did right before I started making the video. Let's go watch it real quick. And I'll show you what I'm talking about, okay? So here's the enemy. They've got the healing, but 3 mana, 2 mana, and 4 mana. That's kind of high. But here I am. I'm pretty good. I got a good tank. I've got a reach in the 2nd position. And then I kind of went all in on the low mana. And that was the extra 2 shield repair, and heal. Plus she does damage. But I was getting 3 attacks around, which isn't bad. He was getting 1, 2, 3, 4. This guy probably is what did me in. Let's take a look at it and see what it does. But the order I have these in might not be right either. I might have had to have these further back. But you want the arrow guys back as far as you can, because they can't shoot in the first position. And see, he's getting healed as I'm damaging him, which is huge. And now I'm just getting beat up on here. And he goes directly towards my health. So that hurts. That's nice. Nice heal. I'm just outgunned on this one. See, that's working good, though. I like the way that keeps rebuilding it. He has just a little bit too much firepower for my taste. She heals 3. That's incredible. And does damage on top of that. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it's hard to knock him out if you ain't got the damage. And I just don't have the manpower. Which all this really does is extend the battle. They're going to take him out this round right here. We're going to look at the numbers after this. Yeah, and a miss doesn't help either. And of course, that's number 5. So better tank than I have, more power is pretty much what happened. But see how it extends the life of the tank? As much as they were beating up on him, these 3 really did a number on him. As far as, and now they're doing it to him. That's why it went 10 rounds. But of course, that's 2 misses now, so that just kills me. Now she's defenseless. And he's going to get taken out right now. He's gone. And that's all she wrote, because none of these 2 can attack. And he's just getting healed up. And goodbye. And goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. So that's it. Okay. And I lost 20 on that one. So, yeah, it is what it is. Let's go look at my numbers real quick. Really nothing different. I did buy a couple cards today with my rental DC. Splinterlands 10,000, not sponsored by Splinterlands. These are my rules. Day 120. Didn't put no money in today. Will for tomorrow. Every 2 days I'm putting in $10. I got 714 invested. Here's start recording on the 7th of February. Excuse me. Let's go down to the bottom here. And today was a bad day on the markets. Everything down. So it dropped. Remember, I went up a couple of days ago to 795, all the way from a low of 700 asset value when I changed my strategy, and now it's been going back down because the card's going down. 133 in cards, 3201 in the box. That number is going to increase because I need to get more low mana power cards. Same numbers right there in the PowerPoints, but that's a very high number. I'm good on this. Is good. This is where you want to be at on the power. Even SPS went down. So total profit 152, down $40 from my 190 3 days ago. Still a good profit before taxes. That means I'd get my 714 back, and that's if I sold everything and I got out. Okay. This is not financial advice. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe. I'm doing this every day. You can see, you already can probably see what you do different and do better. If I'm doing okay with this, I know anybody else could, because I am not a financial wizard by any means. And the gameplay is more in depth than you think once you start. First, you're like, this is a basic, just line them up and throw them at them. But once you start understanding the positioning of those cards is huge. Whether it's the first position, second position, just picking a tank is not everything. So let's go look at the peak monsters here. There's my it was 770 a few minutes ago, but it's so volatile. And oh yeah, I did buy a couple cards. Let's go look at it. And it was in the death. I bought a. He's not a low mana, but I didn't have him. And it is moving so slow today. Of course, now it's frozen up. No, that's what I did have it. Yeah, no cards. No, I didn't want no cards. I want owned. Okay, and now let's go to death. And here he is right here. I bought this guy. And he's an award, I believe, an old one, a retired one. So good investment, but he gets 2 shots off. So as I build him up, let's go look at his stats. He can be pretty deadly later on. And he's got retaliate, so that's nice. And he get 8 health, do 3 damage, double. That's 6 damage. He could do some damage. So I bought him today. And and I bought another one. Oh, it was the healer, the one that I used in that battle right there. And that's in life. And she was kicking my ass in a lot of battles. And I had built her up and sold her because I wasn't using life much. But you put this one with this guy down here, the shield repairer. That's a pretty awesome duo. And now that'd be a total of 7 mana. So you can only probably do it when it's, in the 30s or 40s, whatever. But they can keep your tank almost invincible if it's done right and if you got the right tank in there. So anyway, that's all I want to talk about today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Join any of the links below. If you join on the link for Splinterlands below, that they got an affiliate program. You get 5% of purchases of the spellbook and packs. And I'm going to go back to the packs, but right now I'm only getting like 50 cents average on value out of every pack I'm opening, unless you get, of course, a good card. So I decided to go directly to the market, and it's really paid off. And you're going to see that even more tomorrow. But anyway, it comes out of their pocket, not yours, the 5%. But it helps me out because I get that 5%. And you can, if you click and join, you can join for free. You don't have to buy anything. You can see if you like it or just follow this. And of course, go to Twitch and watch Splinterlands TV. Follow it. It's a 24/7 platform, and nothing but streamers that are doing Twitch and our videos, and then go to check out the AMAs every Monday. And they kind of switch, mess around on the times, but every Monday there's an AMA, and there's a whole bunch of YouTubers who will do a really good ones on battling and investments and all that stuff. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a nice day.